Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat petang, selamat malam kepada semua attendee webinar di Hot Forex. So malam ini kita macam biasa hari Rabu malam kita akan ada webinar on memahami sentimen pasaran. Okay, more on the bukan technical sangat tapi we can use it with the technical analysis. Okay, today I will share on the memahami sentimen pasaran or in English understanding market sentiment. Okay, before start, as usual, is disclaimer. Bahan ini adalah untuk kegunaan pemasaran dan sahaja tidak melibatkan sebarang analisa atau kajian pelaburan. Kadang-kadang dalam nota perdagangan ini tidak boleh dikira atau dinilai sebagai nasihat atau cadangan pelaburan untuk kegunaan pembelian atau penjualan satu instrumen keuangan. Informasi yang diberikan adalah diambil daripada sumber-sumber yang diperlakukan dan maklumat mengenai prestasi yang lalu tidak boleh digunakan sebagai jaminan atau untuk prestasi yang akan datang. Dengan ini anda sebagai pengguna bahan kandungan dalam pembentakan ini adalah memperakui bahawa sebarang pelaburan dalam produk Forex dan CFD adalah dikategorikan sebagai berisiko tinggi, di mana anda bertanggungjawab sepenuhnya. Pihak kami tidak bertanggungjawab untuk sebarang kerugian daripada pelaburan yang diambil berasaskan informasi ini. Okey. Okey. Ini adalah saya, Tunku Ishak. Saya rasa semua kenal saya. Saya trainer di Hot Forex, HF Education Center Malaysia base. Okay, experience in 10 years in research and development, education, higher education, and consultation work especially on the technology. Okay, so I start trading and investing since 2012, especially in the forex market. So my motto is simple: do your research, identify and share. Research basically analysis, study back what the strategy that we need to use, identify, try to find the opportunity in the market, and take the action with the proper risk management. The important part is whatever we learn, from who we learn, from any teacher, from any master, anybody. At the end of the day, we trade our own money, so we need to trust ourselves with our own money. Trust yourself. If you saw that sell is sell, buy is buy. If you lost, never mind. That's part of the learning curve. I also losing before. Okay, used to lose before, and then I learn from my mistake, and the important is trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself, keep this simple, less is more. Itu yang saya selalu tekankan. Okay, the essence of trading. I always emphasize this one: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, money management, and trading psychology. Okay, do we need to be expert in fundamental analysis? Not necessary. As long as we know basic about the fundamental, basic about sentiment, and then we know the basic of the technical analysis, this already contribute to the, let's say, 30% of your trading. And another 70% component is from the money management, risk management we call it. You can call it risk management as well, and trading psychology. How good you are if you cannot control your emotion, if you cannot handle the loss, tak boleh terima losing, tak boleh terima kesilapan, that will affect your trading. And then, how good you are, how excellent we are, how consistent we are. If we trading with no proper risk, so actually we risk of losing the money. Okay, instead of losing $10 or $20, you end up losing $100, $200. Or $1,000, $2,000 if you don't know the money management and you cannot control your psychology state. So today, actually, we cover on the sentiment is part of the psychology and combination with the technical and fundamental analysis. This is bit on psychology, but more on the technical part of the psychology. Okay, not our psychology, but the market psychology. Okay, understanding sentiment in market. Why it is important? Okay, the advantage sentiment, you know what happened in the market, give you edge over the trade. Okay, you know early or you understand the risk. We saw the opportunity to buy based on the technical. But right now, the sentiment is not really nice. So what happened? Okay, what happened? Like US dollar, everybody see fundamental is strong. But right now, why it weak? Okay. Bila US high rate, sepatutnya US dollar strong. Kenapa US dollar weak? So you know what has happened, the Trump issue. GBP baru high rate tapi kenapa still weak? Ataupun tak berubah banyak because of the Brexit issue. So you know what is happening, give you edge over the trade. So sentiment is more on the short term market. Okay, it gives you higher probability of market direction. You know the market direction, so based on technical, you also see, okay, it's going to buy, it's going up. Okay, based on your technical, technical is going up. Sentiment, okay, sentiment today, market is positive. So you get the advantage. Technical say buy, sentiment say buy. So we go for buy because why? Higher probability. Instead of one technical, we know what is happening in the market sentiment. Okay, but what is sentiment? Sentiment is actually it define. Okay, dia bagi tahu what the investor feel in the market. Financial instrument for our market is mainly on the forex market. The investor attitudes, okay, and investor feelings. Attitude, that means greed, tamak, fear, takut. Feel good, feel bad. That is attitude and feeling. So this is the sentiment. Actually, we can know what is happening in the market, what is the market information based on the greed and fear. Okay, remember how sentiment develop. Market always driven by investor psychology or the trader psychology. Forex market is decentralized. But at this time, worldwide is trading the Forex because it's 24 hour. Malaysia may be night, but US just open. Okay, in London, this is noon, afternoon. So, it's driven by market psychology or investor psychology, or we call it trader psychology. When everybody pull in, they will develop the sentiment. Sentiment of contempt, berhati-hati, suspicious. Bila price dah naik, you suspicious. This is the false signal or anything. Caution, you start to entry, but with very careful. And then price is going up, you scale in, add your entry. Or you start to go into entry, you make a profit, enthusiasm. Or everybody happy. And then when you see it keep going up, you become greed. You put all the risk here. Then price falling down. This sentiment develop indifferent. This is retracement, dismissal. Okay, this is just a deep retracement, and you cannot start to denial. You cannot say this is no, this is just a force down. It should be going up. It should be going up like this. Okay, you start to denial. When the price keep falling down, you start to fear and panic coming in. You sell, and then you contempt back, and then it's going up back. You sell here, it's going up. You panic. For those who sell here, conviction, they make profit. Those who buy here, suspicious, make profit. But those who buy here, make loss, sell here when panic, greed, and fear. Okay, greed, bila you tamak, you buy, harga jatuh, you fear, you takut, you sell balik. Itu yang selalu jadi kita. Apa jadi, bila price naik, kita buy. Bila price turun, kita tutup buy, kita sell. Lepas tu naik balik, kita panic, tutup sell, masuk buy balik. Turun balik, buy balik. This is the market move. So, setiap stage ni ada dia punya emosi. Understand the emotion, help you to understand what is happening in the market. Okay, sentiment analysis. Okay, sentiment analysis is part of forex analysis. Okay, measure overall psychology and emotion state of all participants in forex exchange market. Okay. Okay. So what happened? It helped to quantify untuk identify based on the percentage of the forex market, bullish or bearish. Okay, kita selalu dengar. Tapi another nickname is optimist or pessimist. Optimistic or pessimistic. Or greed or fear. 3. Bull or bear, optimist or pessimistic. Another one is greed or fear. When kadang-kadang kalau you baca online apa, dia cakap greed, risk on, that is bullish. Fear, risk off, that is bearish. Itu saja you need to know. Okay, you must remember one thing: sentiment alone cannot stand. It must be applied in conjunction with fundamental or technical analysis to give you more depth, more confirmation, more probability for the trading. Okay, so if you utilize these three, sentiment, fundamental, and technical, three type of analysis can be overwhelming. Okay, boleh menjadi sangat berat, tapi worth it. Okay, mula-mula memang susah nak faham sentiment, tapi lama-lama you tengok slowly, you will get the idea how sentiment analysis work. Today I will share a few sentiment analysis. Okay, the first is contrarian method of the sentiment indicator. Actually, kita ada indicator yang boleh measure the sentiment. Okay, contrarian method maksudnya kontra. Kalau dia up, kita down. Okay, kalau dia down, kita up. Kalau dia buy, kita sell. Kita sell, dia buy. Itu contrarian. Okay, why? Because we always sell when the market is very optimistic or very bullish at peak. Price is going up, we go for sell. Contrarian. We sell here. Because why? We believe it will retrace. Okay? Or when the price is falling down, when you know the market is on the bearish and you buy here, you go against the trend. Because why? You see, based on the technical, this is the support. You buy here. It may be down a bit more before it pick up. That may happen. So, based on the sentiment indicator, we can know what is the market mood. Market is bullish or market is bearish. Based on the bullish and bearish, we can go against it. Okay? Because why? Because they assume that price is defined by market sentiment. Sentiment bagus, harga akan naik. Sentiment tak bagus, harga akan turun. Itu sentiment dia. Okay? Kita boleh cakap bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment. Tapi sentiment indicator ni, kita kena combine dengan ada indicator ataupun technical analysis ataupun fundamental analysis as well. Advantage of sentiment indicator ni, dia bagi tahu kita transparent and free. This is the advantage of sentiment indicator. Okay, kita cuba tengok website. Saya bukakan website. Okay, di Hot Forex. Hot Forex Contrarian Indicator. Okay, you buka Hot Forex punya website, you pergi ke tool, you pergi ke trader spot. Okay, trader spot dekat sini, you akan dapat macam ni. Betul tak? Tolong feedback. Ada nampak benda yang sama yang saya nampak tak? Okay. Okay, the same. Everybody see the same thing? So, this is the trader spot. Trader spot ni bagi tahu apa percentage of currency, movement of the price. Okay, if you click here, you can see overnight change or 5-day change. If you are more on the weekly, you nak tengok 5-day punya movement, this is more on the swing. More on the swing punya strategi, you boleh nampak for the past 5-day average movement. Okay, US dollar is slightly bull, Euro is bear total versus other currency mainly is bear. Okay, GBP is bear, AUD is mixed, bercampur-campur, JPY is a bit strong, NZD is a bit strong, tapi CAD kita tahu strong against all currency yang di bawah ni, CHF is weak against all currency dekat bawah ni. So kita boleh nampak cat chef. Cat is strong against all, chef is strong against all. If we look cat chef, okay, if we look cat chef, I buka chart cat chef. Okay, you boleh nampak chart sekarang ah. This is cat chef. Daily candle, you can see cat is on the bullish momentum. So you know the strategy. You go for your strategy. Kalau kita tengok strategi sini, just a basic price action. You can see it break the resistance. Okay, it's going up, break, reject, break. Going high here, reject. But based on the intraday, this is the entry zone. Why? This is the resistance become support. Okay, if you are Fibonacci trader, this give you first entry 61.8. Okay, or this give you retracement entry 33.6. Okay, so this give you one entry, this give you quite a good entry here. Nampak tak sini? Saya tu resistance become support. Breakout, retest, go. How I know? Because I look for the past 5-day behavior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish. On the third day, I can get the entry. Today also, I can get the entry. Okay. If we look here, this is past 5 day, but this is overnight. Okay. Overnight, last daily close, today movement. Okay. So, last, percentage of change currency against other currency that last close 6 a.m. this morning Malaysia time. So update is every 60 second. Kalau nak tu kita refresh balik, kita akan update. Okay, this is the sentiment tell you what is happening in the market. US dollar ada naik ada turun, mix. Euro ada naik turun, GBP semua turun. Okay, AUD semua turun kecuali dengan GBP. JPY strong, NZD strong kecuali dengan JPY. CAD strong kecuali dengan JPY dengan NZD. CHF bercampur-campur. Kalau you tengok sini, this is all weak and this is all strong. We open the chart. Let we look into the GBP JPY. Oops, sorry. Ini mana punya? Saya cuba sekejap Sebab ini ada benda yang berjalan ni. Tak ada kantoi layer, you tengok balance kosong dekat sini. Kita tutup satu-satu dulu, tak apa. Satu-satu kena tutup. Oh, tadi ada login. Okay, clear. Okay, we go for here. Sorry for slight delay. GBP JPY yang tadi, this is the intraday strategy. Since today, dia dah weak. But if you are the scalpers, if you the intraday trader, you know this is the support, is coming back resistance. Betul tak? Okay. This retest, support, resistance. Support, resistance. It give you entry over the entry. Support, resistance. Support, sini sideways. So, over the morning, you get one entry here. Okay, one entry here. One entry here. And one entry here. 4 entry. Okay. 4 entry. That means you can entry. Okay, siapa yang kata layer tu, you can get a layer. But this is what we works when we see the percentage of movement what is happening on the GBP JPY. If we look to this chart, GBP is weak, JPY is strong. Okay, when this thing is best used. Okay, I always use this thing. I think you can see this one. I try to make a bigger font. Typically London open. So use this is typically on the trader spot. Okay, trader spot to find strong versus weak currency. And then go to M15, use your own technical analysis, try to get the entry. Okay, ini London Open. So, this is selalu I guna London Open, I akan tengok. Okay, I akan tengok technically kalau pagi I trade sebelum Tokyo Open, London Open or US Open. Use the trader boards to find a strong weak currency. And 15, use your own technical analysis, try to get the entry. Okay, or opportunity. This is how we use the trader board. Simple. But you just find which pair to trade and then you can go. Like this one, NZD is strong except versus JPY, GBP. You can look into the GBP, NZD, drag in here, you can see the same thing. Okay, kalau you pakai support resistance, support become resistance, here entry, here no entry, here you get the entry, support, resistance. So actually 3 entry. Sini bila London dah start buka, lebih kurang pukul 10, you can see price retrace and down. Give you quite a sweet profit, about 70, maximum is 78, or your 50 pips is enough based on your risk reward ratio. That is how I use the sentiment. How I measure the sentiment, I measure the currency sentiment. Which one is strong, which one is weak. Okay, back to the contrarian. Okay, contrarian that I just say now, contrarian method, itu yang tadi is follow method. Contrarian method is actually sekejap Okay, saya cuba screen taskbar. The contrarian method is like this. Okay, you see on the bottom, on the right side, this is the client position. Okay, client positions, or you look here, trading positions. Okay, trading position, okay, this is the source from FX Street. Okay, so what is this? What is the contributor position? FX Street take from the multiple sources to get the positions. Right now, if you look, Euro USD, 8% sell, 92% buy. This is the market average positions. So, if we look into the chart, Euro USD, what is happening now? Euro USD actually is going down. But why the position is buy? Because this is the perception that the price getting lower, people will buy further, buy more, buy more. So what we should do, if we saw this one 92% buy, we go for the contrarian. Kontra maksudnya kalau 92% buy, extreme buy, in the chart, we look opportunity for sell. Okay, like example, this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, you get the opportunity to sell here. If yesterday basis, you try to look, this is resistance. If yesterday the same percentage, you can get the sell position. We use this indicator to go against the market, contrarian. Okay, like GBP USD 78.22. Okay, what happened in GBP USD? Right now, market is bearish against it. So using the indicator, we can find our entry. Basically, early demotioning, we get the entry, support become resistance, going down. Or M15, we will get more precise entry. Okay, so based on the position, we go for it. Okay, same thing. I typically use it during the London time. You can see when the market open, London 4 o'clock, the price start to retrace, and you can see this support become a resistance here. Support become resistance, it's going down. Based on perception of 78% buy, so I go contrarian, I go for sell. Kita kena ingat satu benda. Okay, this is the retail positions. When we buy, who sell? Bila kita beli, siapa jual? Selalunya bila kita beli, the liquidity provider ataupun the bank is sell. So usually they dictate the market. So based on the popular contrarian sentiment indicator, this is the contra. Maksudnya kalau market buy, kita sell. We follow the big player. Lebih kurang macam tu lah teori. Kalau macam USD CHF 50-50, don't go for it. Because of why? USD CHF 50-50, market is in the sideway. You boleh nampak market dalam sideway. Okay, not really clear punya trend. Even though dia uptrend, tapi mainly dia sideway. You boleh nampak. Okay, go for the extreme. Saya selalu go for above 80%. Sebab extreme buy, extreme sell, saya akan go contrarian. Okay, so like here, gold 100% buy, 0% sell. But if you look into the market, what happened? The gold is falling down. Tapi kenapa ada yang buy? Sebab macam inilah kita panggil sentiment indicator. Ini dia ambil sentiment daripada market, daripada trader, retail trader. So kita tahu retail trader, harga makin turun, kita punya perangai bersama, lagi turun lagi kita buy, lagi turun lagi kita buy, sebab kita percaya dia akan naik balik. But how about if you go for the sell? If you take the Fibonacci high and low, this is 50% rejection. And then if I zoom in, okay, semua boleh nampak zoom in, this is already a rejection, 3 inside down. Okay, or you are the defensive trader, this is rejection, this another retest, engulfing. You go for, let's say, 15 pips, okay, and you get about 26. Now is 30 pips you boleh dapat. So that is the sentiment indicator. Contrarian sentiment. Yang ni contrarian. Yang tadi ni currency chart mover is standard indicator. The trading position is contrarian. Okay. So if you see here, Euro JPY 100% sell. Okay, Euro JPY 100% sell. Here dia bagi tahu you average buying price 1286. 1286 dekat atas ni, ramai yang duk beli kat atas ni. Okay. So GJ 100% sell. AUD NZD 100% sell. Okay. Kita tengok AUD NZD, tadi kita dah tengok GJ. Okay, AUD NZD 100% sell, is going down. Okay, so what we do, find the opportunity untuk buy. Okay, disregard about this sebab ini saya tak tahu, mungkin tadi ada terjalan robot ke apa. I also not so sure what is happening to this account, sebab ini account kosong. You go for this, and then like this one, okay, Euro JPY. We look for Euro JPY. Euro JPY, mana Euro JPY, atas Euro JPY, okay, here. Euro JPY is falling down, okay, based on the M15. But here is 100% sell. Okay, 100% sell. Kalau you buka sini, dia akan beritahu you. So 100% sell, tapi kalau sini pun down, is not a contrarian. We don't entry based on the contrarian. Yang kita entry contrarian is based on like this. Okay, 92% buy, 8% sell. Ini contrarian. Kita boleh go for sell. Sebab apa? Price is falling down but the buy. So we know the market go against it, go against the trend, so we have opportunity untuk sell. Tapi kalau dia tak synchronize, forget about it. Okay, forget about it. Okay, one thing, another one way is here. Kalau you tak nak tengok sini, I tool balik, I trader spot balik, I refresh balik. Okay, you tengok di sebelah kanan. Okay, you want to see this, the currency mover charts, and here you ada nampak, you boleh nampak. Sini dia data lain sebab apa? Sini data daripada hot forex. Yang tadi ada multiple sources. Up to you. Okay. Let we look Euro GBP. 80% buy, 20% sell. Euro GBP 80% buy, 20% sell. Kita go for contrarian, we look for sell. Actually, we just get the entry here, the rejection. Okay, the rejection here. I go for the H1, you boleh nampak clearly. Rejection of the support become resistance. Ini support, rejection, resistance, resistance, and ada rejection here. Okay, or if you use the Fibo, you just tarik high to low, you nampak rejection 38.2. Okay, ataupun daripada sini, you nak ambil wave kecil, high low, you dapat rejection of 78.6. Support resistance, this is support resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, siapa yang supply and demand, this is the supply. Okay, kalau siapa yang BBMA, okay, this is the extreme, TP wajib, MHB. MHB dekat sini, MA dah silang. Betul lah. Kalau siapa yang menggunakan BBMA, saya just bagi example je lah. Saya pun tak pandai sangat. Tapi kita tengok M15, M5 mati time frame, M15, H1. Okay. H1 reject the, kalau siapa yang ni, this is 200 moving average. I just show you example few other analysis. Okay. This one is extreme. This one is MHV, H4. We have the setup here and rejection here. Top BB and MR50. This is a BBMA analysis. Okay, daily still sell setup. If you work with multi time frame or whatever analysis that you use, actually just try synchronize dengan market punya perception. Saya selalu nasihatkan macam tu because why? Technical one thing, but you can get another thing. And based on this, you also know GBP is quite weak. Euro is mixed, so actually not beautiful Euro GBP. But if you go for this is more on the major pair and cross pair. Like here is AUD USD 83% buy, 70% sell. So AUD USD kita tengok what happened. Market is falling. Okay, 80% sell, buy, 20% sell. So we go for the sell. So if you trade based on this, if you go, you can get the entry here already. Pagi tadi LBA punya news. Okay, support become resistance, slightly tak kena. So it coming back, give you another entry here, going down. So maybe we look for another sell movement. Okay, so this is the example how we trade. How we trade, what it mean is go against contrarian. Mana nak dapat, you pergi ke hot forex, you pergi ke tool, trader spot, you akan dapat sini. Trader, ini currency strength meter lebih kurang. And di sini is sentiment indicator. Paling senang. Okay, try to load the extreme one, 83 and 80 above. Okay, like gold, 75, 25 is quite nice. Okay, yang mana yang tengah-tengah ni mainly market on the sideways. This is what we call the sentiment indicator. Okay, I'll be back on the slide again. Okay, the second part is mainly for the day trader ataupun swing trader. Commitment of trader report. COT report tell you trend of the week. Okay, because spot, this is the, what we trade is spot forex. Commitment of trader usually using the future markets. Spot market and future market is different. Future market selalunya dekat CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Okay, so COT actually provide information, okay, towards the trend, major trend. Okay, so we use the future market as a proxy untuk spot market. Kita gunakan data di future sebab CME dia centralized, kita boleh dapat data. Spot forex tak centralized, susah nak dapat data kecuali kita boleh dapat sentiment indicator. So it tell you about the speculative, okay, non-commercial ataupun dengan commercial trader in future market. Dia beritahu apa yang future market tengah buat based on non-commercial, speculative, commercial trader. Okay, we are speculative trader. Okay, every Friday dia ada report, so dia akan bagi tahu net long or short position. Okay, this you can go to the CFTC, you boleh cari, but don't worry, I have a shortcut for you. This is what published by the research. Okay, this is from the Scotia Bank. Okay, sekejap, saya bagi link ikut chat sekejap every day they publish the report. Okay, you boleh tengok dekat chat, ada saya share link tu, you boleh copy the link. Okay, situ every day and every week they publish the report, update about the market condition. Okay, they update about the market condition. Like this one, this is once a week. Okay, every Monday selalu kita akan dapat report 28 November. Based on the 28 November punya position, CAT was bullish, bias. So, bullish. So, NZD is bearish, bias. Okay. Mexico, we look for Euro is bullish, bias. GBP neutral, CHF is bearish, gold is bullish. Ini semua versus US dollar. Okay. So, ini yang lama punya trend. This is the trend. Usually, I look for what? I'm not look here. Bias can give you idea. Tapi, ini yang bagi tahu you. Position. Based on the last week, the week before, berapa banyak yang bertambah? 31 millions. AUD semakin berkurang. Negative 64 millions. NZD berkurang, negative 53. So that means the seller getting down. Okay, so JPY negative, the buyer increasing. Okay, the gold, the buyer increasing. So what happened kalau kita cuba tengok chart? Kita tengok chart 28, based on the 28, kita cuba tengok tadi apa? Tadi kita tengok example JPY versus USD since 28 of November. Okay, if we look on daily, Sini more on the trend. Okay, 28th of November, this is when the report is coming out. Based on the last week, okay, the week before. Okay, the last published 28, so 5 days ago. So we can see the movement is down. So this is the bearish movement. So on the not medium term period, we try to find the selling opportunity. Okay, selling opportunity, this is support, become resistance. We go for the short term. Short term, that means hold for 2-3 days punya swing. Okay, so ini dia punya buyers report. So next report is let we see Canada. Canada is bullish. Okay, Canada is bullish versus US dollar, USD CAD. Since 28, so it's going up. On the week before, they're bearish and see the retracement. So because of, if you look here, Canada is bullish, the trend is slightly neutral, position is bertambah, so we try to find the opportunity untuk sell USD CAD because Canada is bullish. Okay, dari situ, use your technical analysis maybe on the daily or H4. When you see a reversal for opportunity untuk trade, sell basis, you can look for it. Like this one, 1, 2, 3, triple top, reversal, 3 black crow, you can go for the sell. Okay, right now, market situation right now untuk hold lama is quite risky. So what we do usually, we hold for the short term period. Short term period, maybe 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, or 1 week only. So if you hold, that means you can get a maximum about 250 pips close to, or 200 pips, something like that. So commitment of trader is more on the long term punya period. Okay. So saya buka balik. Okay. You boleh tengok sini, try to synckan dengan you punya strategi. More on the short mid-term punya swing. Okay, commitment of trader. Okay, another one is VIX Index. VIX Index ni you boleh pergi ke SP500, VIX Index untuk cari volatility. Okay, VIX selalu kita guna sebagai proxy juga untuk mencari volatility. Because price in Forex is driven by volatility. Okay, so apa jadi? Kalau volatility naik, okay, what happen? Market is fear. The bigger the volatility, the stronger the fear. Bila volatility drop, dia akan turun. Okay, how we can monitor the volatility index? Okay, sekejap lagi saya akan share. Cuma volatility ni jarang kita guna. Saya gunakan hanya untuk tengok market overall mood. Overall market is fear or greed. First, we can go to the here. Okay, to here, where we can get the data. CNN Fear and Greed Index. Okay, CNN Fear and Greed Index, dekat sini kita boleh dapat data. Ini secara generalnya Fear and Greed Index. Okay, CNN. Sorry. Okay, Fear and Greed Index kita boleh tengok di sini. Last update is yesterday. Now market is in the greed. Maksudnya overall mood of market is bullish. Okay, previous close 64, 63, okay. 1 week ago 64, so market is stable right now. Okay, bila macam ni kita tahu market is in the good mood. Bila market in the good mood, so selalunya people will go for the bullish. Sekejap lagi saya akan tunjuk fear and greed apa impact dia. Yang kedua is a VIX Index. Okay, VIX Index macam tadi saya beritahu, VIX Index, ini contoh yang lama, June 5, we can know the volatility. The higher the volatility, the higher the fear. Okay, so kalau kita tengok sini, VIX Index, you scroll down, put and call option, market momentum, safe haven demand, volatility. Okay, last update, this is December 4. So, bila dia tinggi, okay, dia fear. Bila dia bawah, dia greed. Right now, apa dia punya mode is neutral. Maksudnya, market still 50-50 on the greed or fear. Greed bullish, fear bearish. So, overall market is like this. Okay. So, apa jadi, you boleh tengok over the time. Okay. Over the time, since 2005, okay, fear. Okay. Fear. Ini waktu election US, fear. Ini waktu North Korea, fear. Bila fear, apa jadi? Bila greed, apa jadi? Sekejap lagi saya nak tunjuk on the presentation. Ya. Mana tu lah? Sekejap lah. Okay. Fear and Greed Index yang tadi VIX tu, kita boleh cari dekat JPY, CHF and Gold. Okay. Bila mood on, mood dalam greed, trader akan go kepada high yield currency, high interest rate currency for the good return. So what happened? They will sell JPY, CHF and Gold. Right now market tadi saya tunjuk greed. Generally, they will sell JPY, CHF and gold. Okay, but my main focus is more on the gold. Because gold is really volatile dengan fear and greed. Kalau fear, gold akan strong. Kalau greed, gold akan weak. Okay, bila market in panic, fear, they will buy the gold. Right now, market is in the greed, they will sell the gold. Itu salah satu sebab kenapa gold is falling down right now. Because market overall in the greed mode. Sebab kita nak trade pair currency, kita kena tahu currency satu lagi strong ke weak. So actually overallnya they will sell JPY, they will sell CHF, but you need to find a strong pair untuk trade versus JPY and CHF. Nak senang, gunakan VIX dengan fear and greed punya tu, you tengok kepada gold. Gold will move with the fear and greed index. Cuba go study balik. Every day you try to look fear and greed index and price of gold. Dia akan bertukar-tukar. Kalau fear naik, gold pun naik. Kalau fear turun, gold pun turun. Ataupun kalau greed naik, gold naik. Fear, gold turun. Itu adalah the simple method menggunakan fear and greed punya index. Okay, lagi satu. Kita nak tahu fear and greed apa semua tu, you can go tadi yang saya tunjuk trader spot, and at the hot forex we also publish the information about the market. Okay, publish information about the market, you boleh tengok dekat sini. Saya bukakan website balik. Dekat hot forex. Okay. Tool hot forex exclusive analysis. So you akan dapat exclusive analysis. Okay, ni. Ini saya share, ada yang analysis hot forex share on the technical. Tapi every time, every open euro session kita akan share. Okay, what is happen in the market? Okay, what is happen in the market? Stock market tank in Asia. Nikkei and loss. Okay. A stronger yen. Okay, a stronger yen kita tahu. Strong, yen strong, US dollar weak. Okay. And then the AUD weaken. So, Based on this, every day bila Euro open saja, saya akan tengok report, saya akan cari hint. Stronger yen, AUD weaken, lagi apa? AUD USD fell. Okay. So, AUD weaken, why? Because GDP number. Okay, gross domestic product. Okay, stronger yen, why? Nikkei losing. Okay. So, AUD USD also fall. So, apa jadi? Saya akan buka kepada chart. Contoh tadi AUD USD. Kan? Saya akan tengok bila London open, saya akan find opportunity untuk trade. Okay, saya akan find opportunity untuk trade. Okay, during the London open, about 10 o'clock. So this is my opportunity to trade. Okay, actually not up to there. So I missed the opportunity here. Okay, yang ni tu update every hour yang mana satu bang? Yang Hot Forex punya analysis, dia update every day sebelum bila waktu petang, lebih kurang pukul 3 petang, dia akan update. You boleh tengok. Okay, macam ini kalau saya gunakan Fibonacci, is about here. Okay, high and low. Tapi kalau siapa gunakan support resistance, you will get the entry point here. Or you can go for here, support become resistance. Okay, you pergi ke M15, you boleh dapat you punya entry nicely. Okay, you punya entry nicely. Sini support, sini resistance. Okay, this is support. This is support. Okay, tak sampai resistance. So this is how we make analysis. So don't expect you will get about banyak pips lah. Tapi usually the movement is like that. AUD, USD. Lagi tadi satu AUD strong, AUD weak, JPY strong. You boleh nampak entry you. Okay. 10. So if you work that, this is the opportunity. Kalau dia ada rejection, kita boleh sell. So that's the way of entry. Kalau lepas news, you selalu tengok dia akan ada support become resistance here. You will get the entry. So Hot Forex always provide the information about the markets every day. Usually waktu petang dia akan beritahu. Okay. Kadang-kadang dia akan beritahu macam yang ni baru update. Tadi Euro USD in line with ADP data. Okay, ADP rise. Okay. So dollar edge briefly. So ini dia punya technical analysis. Okay, back to the slide. One way is lagi satu market information. Kadang-kadang kita tengok price naik tiba-tiba. Kadang-kadang kita tengok price terjun tiba-tiba. Macam apa yang terjadi dekat GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY 2 days ago. Or yesterday. 2 days ago. Okay. 2 days ago, this area. Tiba-tiba dia naik, lepas tu tiba-tiba dia turun balik. Because of why? This is because of the news about the Brexit. News about the Brexit. So, we know it's going up. Bila dia retrace, lalu kita akan buy. Lepas tu tiba-tiba dia terjun balik. Why that is happen? The only way you want to know very fast is from the online resources. Online resources maksudnya mana? Twitter. Twitter is the fastest. Okay, you just follow Run Squawk, okay, Live Squawk, or Forex Live. Ini Forex Live Twitter ataupun website dia ada. You will get the fastest news. Usually within 1 minute, 2 minutes, what is happened, you can go into the website or Twitter, check what is happening in the market. So when you know what is happened, you can plan. Waktu tu you ada trade ke apa ke, you can plan your trade. Or waktu tu you know, okay, GBP is weak. So what happened? Look for plan to sell. Kalau time tu you ada position, so you know what to do. You need to get out early, risky or not, or not risky at all. So you can know very fast. Okay. Why? Because Twitter is the fastest information now. It relay the information very fast. Saya pun update apa-apa news, saya refer kepada Twitter. Live Squawk is very good information center. Kalau you nak dengar review, you nak dengar, you nak baca everyday punya what happened yesterday market, you can go to economic or political news website. Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, Reuters, CNBC, Forex, CNN Money, Market Watch. Selalu yang saya follow adalah di sini. CNN Money and Reuters. Reuters Market. Dekat sini memang saya boleh baca. Macam saya bangun pagi, I want to know what happened yesterday on market. Not politics, on market. I will open Reuters, I pergi bahagian markets. Forex, dia ada. Or CNN Money pun dia ada bagi tahu. Yesterday, what is happening. But when I trading, I will on my Twitter. I will have alarm on these two Twitter. I will follow closely bila I trade. So I know what is going on. Okay? This is simple strategy yang saya share tadi. How to use the sentiment. Actually, sentiment, how to know, you need to know what is happening. How to evaluate sentiment. Go to the web, Twitter ataupun market wrap tadi saya cakap. Before saya open 8 pagi waktu Malaysia, you tengok apa jadi malam tadi. Cuba tahu apa sentiment. Cuba baca some report. Before London Open, lebih kurang pukul 2 hingga 3 petang. Macam Hot Forex akan publish report. During that time, bagi tahu what is happening in the morning. So you know what sentiment in play. You buka traders board, you tahu pair mana yang weak, currency mana yang weak, currency mana yang strong. And during US Open, before every session, I will look into the sentiment. I try to understand what is happening. And then I get a strong currency and weak currency, I pair it together. And then baru I dah tahu pair apa I nak trade, I buka technical, I try to do analysis, fast analysis, and then try to find where is the best place to buy or to sell. And then bila price dah sampai, I entry the trades, I monitor. Monitor, saya akan tengok chart, at the same time saya akan buka Twitter. I want to know what happened kalau ada sudden movement. Sebenarnya news paling cepat, macam news NFP ke apa, Twitter bagi tahu paling cepat compare dengan investing.com ataupun website mana-mana yang bagi tahu news. Twitter lagi cepat. So this is best to use for scalping and intraday. Kalau you nak go for daily trade or short term or medium term swing, you kena follow commitment of trader. Okay. Commitment trader, situ you boleh tahu not long term, weekly movement of the currency. Ini kita nak tengok is hourly punya movement, short term punya movement of the sentiment. Sentiment bagi tahu you pasal mood. Right now GBP lemah kenapa? Sebab okay, let we look into the sekejap saya cuba dulu current sentiment. Okay, current sentiment. I delete everything, current sentiment. Okay, US right now is neutral, nothing much. Okay, JPY strong. Why? Asia stock slump. Okay, GBP weak. Why? Brexit. Sorry. Euro, no sentiment in play, neutral. So, AUD, tadi kita baca apa? Weak. Sebab apa? GDP miss. Okay, lagi apa? NZD. Tak ada apa report, still neutral. Neutral. So, sentiment sekarang CHF still on the neutral. 367. CAD Sekejap lagi ada cap punya news. Cuba tengok apa yang Twitter beritahu pasal Bank of Canada punya interest rate decision. So daripada situ you tengok market reaction, you baca apa komen kat Twitter, you boleh tahu strong or weak. Tapi based on the current sentiment is quite strong. Sebab apa? Last Friday punya employment data good. So 368. So current sentiment selalu saya update macam ni. Write down on your book and then you know what is going on. Based on this, you tahu JPY strong, AUD weak, CAD strong, GBP weak. So, daripada sini, ini contoh saya buat analisa petang tadi ya. So, USD. Sekejap, USD. So, I know the pair I can trade now is GBP, JPY, AUD, JPY. Look for sell. Okay. Look for sell GBP JPY, AUD JPY. Apa lagi yang strong AUD CAD dengan GBP CAD. So you have 4 pair to trade. You will get the opportunity. AUD CAD, kita try buka AUD CAD. Kalau petang tadi ya, lebih kurang sebelum London Open. So what happened? Kita cuba tengok 10 o'clock. 9:45. Price retrace back to this support. Going down, dia bagi you opportunity untuk entry. Dekat sini, reversal, retest, going down. Ataupun kita guna Bollinger Band, BBMA, you get the re-entry here. Okay, nice re-entry here. You boleh nampak nice re-entry here. Siapa yang BBMA, they know what to trade on this one. Okay, this is the sentiment. Okay, ada yang trade dekat sini, re-entry, whatever it is. Okay, this one based on GBP, AUD CAD. Actually, GBP CAD, you may also have the entry dekat sini. Here is good re-entry point. Tadi AUD JPY sudah tengok. AUD JPY, you can get the entry. Nice sideways. M15. H1. So ini untuk support resistance or whatever it is you can get. Or you can go for the H4 to find the entry. But mainly I use H1 and M15 for intraday sentiment trade. Okay, clear? Ada apa-apa soalan tak? I got warning already, overrun. So, this is how I use it. Okay. So, remember, risk management is important. Whatever we use, risk is everywhere. Risk of loss, risk of profit, semua ada. Our job is not to make profit, is to manage the risk. Because why? When you able to minimize the risk, you will make more profit. Trust me. That's how we make money. Control the risk. Okay, how we make money, control the risk. Today I give you idea about the sentiment. Use that to control your risk. Okay. So next week we will have a webinar. As usual, Monday, market analysis. Market analysis, 11 December. 13 December, I will share next week news trading. Okay, how to understand which economy data is important. Okay, then we will have another another 2 week of the webinar before we closing the 2017. Okay, for those who interested to attend class, tomorrow we will have class. Tomorrow night, how to use price action for the scalping, just like I used just now, support resistance and the price action and the candlestick pattern. So also we have another 2 week of classes dekat Binjai 8. Siapa di KL atau Selangor boleh datang, dijemput datang ramai-ramai. So itu saja untuk hari ini. Please download Hot Forex app. Hot Forex app, dalam Hot Forex apps, siapa yang pakai handphone, dalam Hot Forex apps ada yang traders board. Okay, just go to apps, download Hot Forex apps, you boleh dapat traders board daripada apps juga. Tak perlu buka PC. Okay, so I believe everybody is clear. So thank you very much for your attendance. Hopefully we meet again next week. Selamat malam semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan bye-bye everybody.